This YouTube channel has absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 350,000 plus subscribers in just 7 months. They're telling stories of historical figures by using the power of AI-generated imagery to capture the attention of millions of viewers, myself included. According to Social Blade, they are making more than $1,000, so you know these types of videos are monetizable. Judging only from the views these types of content get, it's safe to assume that it is highly engaging to the audiences. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these videos for yourself from scratch. That means generating script, image, voiceover, and editing using AI. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Head to ChatGPT and ask to generate a list of historical figures. Then pick the one you like the most. For example, I will take Joan d'Arc. Next, ask ChatGPT to give 10 facts about her. After you get the facts, ask it to generate image prompts for each fact. Now, just copy the image prompt. Step 2. Log in or sign up to Leonardo.ai to generate images for your video. Before starting to generate images, we need to change some features according to our preference, such as choose Albedo Base XL as the image generating model for semi-realistic images. Then select 9:16 image aspect ratio. Now go to the number of images and choose 4 so that we can get more image results. Next, paste the image prompt that we got from ChatGPT and wait for it to generate high-quality images for you. Finally, save the images you think will fit and elevate the quality of your video. Step 3. For AI-generated voiceover, head to 11 Labs. Create an account if you don't have one. Then go to the speech synthesis page and paste the facts you got from ChatGPT. Next, select the viral voiceover Antony and click Generate. 11 Labs will take some time to generate the voiceover for you. Once done, save the audio in your device. Step 4. The last and most crucial part is editing the video. Choose a video editing software that is easier for you to use. In this case, I will use CapCut as it is my primary video editing software. After importing all the images and voiceovers, drag them one by one on the timeline, but make sure to use the right image that fits with the narrative. Then add transitions in between images to make it look seamless. Also, use filters to add effects to the images. Last, but not the least, add captions to hold the audience retention throughout the whole video. For this, go to text and select the auto captions. It will automatically add captions in the whole video using the audio file. Next, go to the font option and select the one you like the most. I will suggest you to use bold fonts because they are good for attention grabbing. Choose the yellow color as it pops on screen the most. Also, go to the animation and choose the typewriter. Finally, select 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second and export the video. The result will look something like this.
Joan claimed to have received visions and heard voices of saints and was instructed to support Charles VII and help him become the King of France.
To the 0.1% who managed to watch this video till the end, thank you very much. I hope I made you understand the processes and how easy it is to create AI-generated YouTube shorts and make money out of it. If you have any more queries, then you can comment down below. I will be posting this type of content regularly, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.